Welcome, my soul. Welcome to my private space, my darling. Today I want to whisper a little secret in your ear. You never have to choose between your brilliant mind and your breathtaking femininity. You can be the woman who commands the boardroom with her intellect and captures hearts with her grace. And I'm going to show you how. Some girls think, my dear, that success requires a loud voice or a cold, masculine personality. No, my soul, that's the biggest mistake. Real success is soft power. Accomplish your tasks with intelligence. Be firm but with a captivating smile. And manage your big dreams with the calmness of a queen. Working with a feminine touch makes everyone wonder, how does she do it all with such elegance? Femininity at work is emotional intelligence that opens every locked door. After you finish building your empire outside, return immediately to your little kingdom. Here, my love, take off the mask of the manager or the leader. Your home needs your tender soul, your laughter that sounds like music, and your scent that brings warmth and peace. Your true balance begins with your amazing ability to detach. Be as solid and brilliant as a diamond outside, but remain soft, delicate, and warm as silk at home. Do you know the muse who embodied this balance for the whole world? It's the exquisite Emma Watson. The world fell in love with her charm, but her true attraction lies in the fact that she never gave up her seat at the world's top universities despite the blinding lights of fame. Emma taught us that a cultured woman is the most influential, and that defending your principles with a voice that is both gentle and strong is the height of feminine maturity. Her magic is in her mind, just like yours. And here is the core, my sweetheart. A brilliant mind is the most sophisticated form of attraction a woman can possess. Culture isn't just about degrees. It's that mysterious aura that surrounds you when you speak. Your wit, your eloquence, and your ability to lead a beautiful conversation is the beauty that never ages. Be the woman whose opinion everyone craves, because your glowing intellect adds a spark to your eyes that no makeup in the world can mimic. A woman who reads is a woman who holds the universe in her hands. Finally, my soul, always remember that your hard work and education are what create your precious freedom to own your own money, to buy the gold that shines on your wrist from your own efforts, and to choose every detail of your life by your own will. This is true security. Build yourself, brick by brick, and let your financial independence increase your prestige, your strength, and your unbreakable femininity. You, my love, were born to be exceptional, a queen in the temples of knowledge, work, and beauty. Be smart, be ambitious, and stay deeply feminine. Tell me in the comments, what is one achievement you made today that made you proud to be a woman? I can't wait to hear your beautiful stories. I love you all so much.